Pumpkins come in a vast array of colors. This one, Mellow Yellow, is natural. You'll also find color enhanced. In this design, foam-free, fabulous. Let's get started. The pumpkin has been carved out, the seeds removed. Then I lined it with a plastic liner. That way the water for the flowers stays separate from the pumpkin itself. Then, for mechanics, used floral netting. Tuck that down inside. You can see it sitting there. Then the lid to secure, I used 3 wood picks. Place them into the base. Now you don't need the wires, so you can cut those off. And then secure it with the Oasis Floral Adhesive right on the insertion point. That way they won't pop back out. Then you can just take it and set it right down into the netting. Get it nice and secure. And add water pre-mixed with flower food. First, a nest of foliage to support all your flowers. The variegated pittosporum, perfect with the yellow pumpkin, just nesting it down in. Then for a deeper green, Israeli ruscus, gives nice contrast. You can see it comes out, starts covering the edge of the pumpkin, and it will create a nest to support the flowers. Then for interest, a little bit of this soft green hydrangea. It will mix in with the foliage, even though it's a flower, but give you a little bit more contrast in color. The flowers, summertime favorites, zinnias, in this soft buttery yellow, go so well with the pumpkin. Giving it a cut, setting it down in, and then placing some lower so it terraces, pulls the eye downward. Vivid yellow, tiny sunflowers, almost look like little babies. Giving that brighter yellow. And everything feeding into that floral netting so it gets a nice secure placement. Then for interest, coming out over the top, a little bit lighter, a little more delicate. Some marigolds with that variegation, get a little bit of style. The recipe, 1 mellow yellow pumpkin. Then I worked in 5s. I had 5 stems of the Israeli ruscus, 5 portions of variegated pittosporum, then 5 zinnia, 5 sunflower, and 5 marigold. Makes it a perfect sunshine Halloween arrangement. You'll find more creative inspiration for Halloween and the whole autumn season on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find the most fantastic pumpkin. Create a lovely arrangement. Take a picture and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.